So what's up guys, welcome to this video. So I actually thought of creating a note-taking app for the Android. I thought of creating one myself. So let's first start with sketching so that I can get a clear idea about how the interface is going to look like, and let's go on with that. So for the most part the coding is done right now. I have to do some designing so I can actually make it look more cool. And don't ask me why I'm sitting on the floor right now. So I recently broke my MacBook charger and I had to order a new one. It took a very long time and was a really expensive purchase, but I think it's worth it. That's the original one, so here's an unboxing video. So I managed to install my Notes app in my Android phone right now. If you can see it in this top right corner, I didn't actually put an icon for that, but it works. It has a small bar that doesn't show images or add images, which is kind of frustrating, but I can fix it soon. I was really happy with the outcome. It took me 2 days because I had to attend lectures and write my assignments, but it's okay, it's worth it. So now I have my dedicated Android Notes app, so I can write notes now. I couldn't provide you guys more content right now because of the pandemic situation. So here's an old vlog which I never released. Enjoy.
Don't know how to feel when you're around. You got my heart intoxicated. Bed sheets lying still. Girl, if you're down, we could make things more complicated. She said these nights feel the same.
This was the time I fell into the truck and hurt my elbow badly. The drive is a crazy one. Okay, enough stories. Now let's get back in the video.
Just to get closer to you, she said I'm feeling it too. Girl, I know. 4. Take the wheel. I'ma let you drive me crazy all night till we see the sun. Something different, we'll go wherever you take me. Won't you drive me?
It took us about half hour to get outside. We were so hungry and we wanted to eat, so we stopped near a seafood shop and yeah, then we left after eating. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So catch you guys next one. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Peace.
will. I'ma let you drive me crazy. I'm over you, some kind of drug.